Imagine diving into the sea and discovering a 2,000-year-old ship carrying statues, treasures, and a machine so advanced that scientists call it the world's first analog computer. In 1900, sponge divers searching for natural sea sponges near the Greek island of Antikythera accidentally discovered an ancient Roman-era shipwreck about 45 to 60 meters underwater. The ship had sunk around 60 to 50 BCE while carrying expensive cargo from the Greek world to Rome. Archaeologists recovered magnificent bronze and marble statues, glassware, jewelry, coins, and luxury furniture. But one object changed history. It looked like a lump of green, corroded bronze. After careful study, scientists realized it contained dozens of tiny gears. It became known as the Antikythera Mechanism. Built around the 2nd century BCE, the Antikythera Mechanism used more than 30 bronze gears to predict the movements of the sun, moon, and likely the known planets. It could also predict eclipses and track ancient calendars. Scientists describe it as the world's oldest known analog computer. Nothing this mechanically complex is known again until more than 1,000 years later. Even today, researchers continue studying it using powerful X-ray imaging and 3D technology to better understand its hidden secrets. The Antikythera Mechanism proves that ancient engineers were far more brilliant than anyone once imagined. What other incredible inventions are still waiting to be discovered beneath the sea? Subscribe for more amazing ancient mysteries.